it's raining. Gotta love bend weather. Anyway, we got this guy here. They're smelling gas because it's misfiring. Originally I was called out here for the same problem. I already checked all the lines. There's no gas leak anywhere. What had happened was this guy had failed and there's no pressure switch, so it would still try to ignite, and so it'd blow gas in there. But they had some other company fix it, and now it's doing the same thing. So this unit, for some reason, you can't jump it out. You have to turn it on from the thermostat, so I'm gonna give them a call and have them turn it on from downstairs. And we're gonna see what's going on with this. I suspect maybe the igniter went bad, so I got my meter plugged into that thing just to make sure I'm getting voltage to it. And then we'll go from there. So here we go. Okay, so they turned it on. We're getting 101 volts to the igniter. And we shall see if we get ignition. It's super windy right now and I can't hear nothing. The interesting thing is, well, it's 208, so that's probably why. Yeah, I don't think I'm getting ignition. So we're gonna check that. There goes the gas. Yeah, there's no ignition. The gas valve definitely open. Yeah, I can smell the gas. Ooh, man, that's stinky. So yeah, I'm gonna check that igniter, so we're gonna kill power. Okay, so we got the thing out. I'm getting 215 ohms on it, which I believe is normal for this. However, I don't know if you noticed this, but look at the middle section. Hold on, I'm trying. See that middle section right there? See how it's kind of sagging? That's not cool. And then it's got a little spot there. So I'm wondering if maybe it's just not getting hot enough. But yeah, I think what I'm gonna do is I'm gonna go ahead and just plug it back in and leave it out here where I can see it, just to see if it actually gets hot or not, and then we'll just kill the power real quick. But yeah, because I am getting 215 ohms. Looks like there's an old one here too. Let's see. This one actually looks like it's in pretty good shape. Let's ohm it out. We'll try to pop that one in there and see what's up, but we'll order another one. Yeah, I mean, if this works, we'll order a different one. And then just maybe use this as temporary. So yeah. Okay, so I'm ohming out this one. I'm getting 244 ohms. And I did notice that this one's a little bit shorter than the other one. So I think that's why they changed it. Maybe it was in just like, it wasn't in the proper path. But I'm gonna try it anyway just to see. We're gonna test that one first, and then we'll try this one, see if I can get it to at least ignite consistently. And then we'll go from there. This one seems to be fine. It's just a little dusty. I already brushed it off with the brush. We'll see if that'll at least get them some heat for the time being. And yeah, so. Okay, so let's see if that igniter gets hot. And I have the gas shut off so it doesn't smell like gas. Yeah, so that igniter should be glowing right now. So it looks like the igniter's dead. That's weird that I'm still getting an ohm reading. Oh no, it's glowing a little bit, but yeah, you see it's not the whole thing. It's just that one little spot. Power. Yeah. So it's only glowing on that one little tiny spot, so the whole thing's not igniting up. So yeah, so we definitely got a bad igniter. So I'm gonna go ahead and see if I can order one up, and then in the meantime, we're gonna try to use that one, see if that works for the time being. Yeah, see, so here's the igniter. Come on, focus, guy. So you see that one spot where it's not white? Just that spot right there is heating up, but the rest of it isn't. So it's not in the right location. I suspect that one's gonna be too short. That could be why it's there. Maybe they tried that one and it didn't work. I'm gonna pop it in there and see if I can get it to ignite. Well, like I said, I'm gonna order one just to make sure, but yeah. Okay, so looks like they didn't have one in stock. So, oh, and then this used one didn't work. Anyway, so yeah, they didn't have one in stock. The one I have here just not gonna work. So this is a universal kit that somebody had on their truck. They brought to me. It's kit 03033 from Service First. It's supposed to work with these units, so hopefully it does. It looks like it'll work. So anyway, let me get this thing out and see if it'll work. It's hard to do this one-handed. It's got the same shape, so that's good. It's got the same length as the other one, I think. Let me see here. Yeah, same length, so we should be good. So we're gonna go ahead and install this thing and hopefully it fires up. Oh yeah, so this one's gonna definitely work. So yeah, it comes with a new like little mount thing, a new gasket, and 2 new screws. So I'm gonna use all this stuff because this other stuff's all used up and beat up. So we're gonna go ahead and get that installed. So here we go. Okay, so that bad boy's in there. Got it all hooked up. Turn on the gas. All right, so we're gonna go ahead and cycle it on, and hopefully she ignites. Okay, so we got ignition. So yeah, that's crazy. I've never seen an igniter just like totally ohm out normally and then just have like just one little section of it light up. That was weird. So yeah, so sometimes you just gotta look, pull it out and look at it. Because I ohmed it out and it was totally normal. Yeah, she's definitely heating. Now, for some reason now, this one, it just stinks. Like, I mean, it just blows a bunch of gas in there, and if it doesn't light up, they end up smelling it downstairs. It's giving them a migraine and stuff. So I just highly recommend that you replace this unit if it's from 1994. But you know how it is. But anyway, so yeah, I know this was just a simple igniter call, but sometimes you gotta take it out and look at it. Sometimes just looking at it will tell you some things. So but yeah, that was crazy. I've never seen that before. So anyway, hopefully this helps you out. So thanks for watching. Make sure you like and subscribe, comment, tell me what a horrible technician I am. Hit that bell notification, that thing right there, and follow me on Instagram and Facebook. Thanks for watching. Bye.